A day at the park. It is a sunny Saturday. Sarah and her friend Tom go to the park. They love the park because it is big and green. Today they play soccer and have fun. Sarah kicks the ball to Tom. Tom runs fast and catches the ball. They laugh and enjoy their game. Suddenly, a dog comes to them. The dog is big and friendly. "Look at the dog," Sarah says. Tom smiles and pets the dog. The dog wags its tail happily. They decided to play with the dog too. While they play, Sarah remembers her last visit to the park. She and Tom had a picnic that day. They ate sandwiches and drank lemonade. It was a fun day. Now Sarah and Tom threw the ball for the dog. The dog runs after the ball and brings it back. They cheer for the dog. After some time, they sit on the grass to rest. "I am tired," says Sarah. Tom agrees. "Me too." They talk about their favorite games. Sarah likes to play basketball, and Tom likes to ride his bike. They have played many games together in the past. Suddenly, it starts to rain. They quickly grab their things and run to a tree for shelter. While they wait, Sarah thinks about how they always have adventures in the park. Last summer, they went to the park every week. They had so much fun together. One day, they saw a clown who made balloon animals. The clown gave them each a balloon. Tom remembers that day and laughs. "Do you remember the clown?" he asks Sarah. "Yes, that was funny," she replies. The rain stops after a few minutes. They look at the sky. It is clear again. "Let's go back to play," says Tom. They run back to the open field. The park is wet, but they don't mind. They continue to play soccer with the dog until sunset. At the end of the day, Sarah feels happy. She had a wonderful time at the park with Tom and the dog. They say goodbye to the dog and walk home together. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the story. Now answer the question about it. One. What activity do Sarah and Tom do at the park? Go swimming, play soccer, ride bikes, have a picnic. 2. What kind of dog do Sarah and Tom meet? Small and shy, big and friendly, loud and small, old and sleepy. 3. What did Sarah and Tom eat during their last picnic at the park? Pizza, ice cream, sandwiches, hot dogs. 4. What it happens when it starts to rain? They continue to play soccer. They grab their things and run to a tree. They go home immediately. They find a shelter in the park. 5. What does Sarah remember about the clown? He was scary. He made balloon animals. He gave them candy. He sang songs. 'True or false? 1. Sarah and Tom went to the park on a rainy Sunday. 2. The dog they met was unfriendly. 3. Sarah enjoys playing basketball. 4. They played soccer until sunset. 5. Sarah and Tom had a picnic with pizza during their last visit to the park.